expensive skincare products that I feel are worth it. As a dermatologist, I'm trying multiple products every single day, and here are a few products that I feel are worth it because of the unique formulation and the unique ingredients that they have. So I wanted to tell you about 5 such products that I have been loving lately, and will tell you why I love them too. Before we start, I want to let you know that if purchasing any of these products is going to hamper your lifestyle, it's going to make you really rethink other essential purchases or essential expenses in your life, then no, these are not worth it. Skincare, it has to be something that you enjoy doing, and you have to be consistent in order to see results. So if you're going to be able to purchase this only once, then there's no benefit. But if you can afford it, if you feel you can splurge and you have been thinking whether these products are worth or not, this video is going to help you out. So now, let's start. First is the Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dual Serum. So this serum contains thiamidol, which is a patented ingredient. This ingredient has been patented by the company Beiersdorf, which is in Germany. Okay, so it is an ingredient which has resorcinol. It's a type of a derivative of resorcinol, which reduces pigment formation. So our skin has cells melanocytes, which makes the pigment melanin. So it reduces the amount of tyrosinase, which is an enzyme required to make melanin. Okay, so that is how this works. It is very effective in reducing dark spots, stubborn dark spots, acne spots that you have on your skin. And also, if your skin has become slightly dull with age over time, it helps in reducing that as well. This ingredient has been tested on human models and has been seen that it helps in reducing the melanin production. So it works really well in reducing dark spots. Along with thiamidol, it also has sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is an antioxidant. Along with it, it also has tocopherol, which is also a vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant. With this, it has glycerin and hyaluronic acid. So all in all, it's a really nice serum which helps in reducing dark spots. Thiamidol is really effective, and I feel that this is expensive, but if you are thinking of investing on something to improve your skin tone overall and improve skin quality, then I feel this serum is worth the price. So you just have to use a very small quantity, just 1 pump on the affected area. I prefer to use it in the morning time. I just use 1 pump only on the melasma patches. If you have like a more even dullness, then you can use a very small quantity all over your face. Just use it in multiple small dots so that you can use this serum for a longer time. Just a pea-sized amount is good enough. That'll be enough to cover your whole face. Okay, so yes, this is a good serum that you can use in order to reduce your dark spots. So yes, it is expensive, but as somebody who struggles with melasma, I feel this is a good ingredient, and I also feel that it helps in keeping melasma suppressed also for longer. So a good ingredient to include in your routine, and a good product if you are somebody struggling with dark spots and that bothers you. So yeah, Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dual Serum. Second serum is a cult favorite. It's very, very expensive. I have still been using the PR packages that have been sent because it's really expensive. But if you are somebody who is thinking of splurging on a night serum, then this one is a really good choice. Yes, it's the Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. So this serum contains a bifida lysate ferment, which is a patented ingredient which has been patented by the company Estee Lauder. So this ingredient helps in kind of soothing the skin, maintaining the barrier function of skin. It is a probiotic. Along with this, it also has adenosine, which helps in slowing the process of aging. It feels really moisturizing, nourishing, hydrating on the skin. It also contains some anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents, which helps in lightening dark spots. Overall, it is just very nourishing on the skin. So this serum works really well. The Estee Lauder Advanced Repair Serum, this has been a cult favorite of many. You don't need to use it every night. You can even just use this only on days where you feel that your skin requires that extra love and that extra moisture and nourishment. So I like to use it very small drops. I first apply my treatment cream for my melasma, and then I use the serum and then go ahead and apply a layer of moisturizer. That's how I prefer to use it. You can use this just as the only serum that you use on your face and then go on with a moisturizer. That is also good. This serum I think will be loved by those who cannot tolerate retinol, or who feel that the skin is too sensitive and cannot tolerate actives. Then because this has such soothing ingredients, it helps in moisturizing the skin, maintaining your skin, as well as does not irritate the skin or make it red. So soothing, moisturizing. So this is a good ingredient, especially if you have sensitive skin type, you feel that you cannot tolerate too many products, you don't want to use too many products, then this one serum at night is a really good choice. Third is the Cetaphil Bright Healthy Radiance Perfecting Serum. Okay, so this one is a really good product if you are somebody who does not like to layer too many products on their skin. So if you are looking to use something, just one layer in the morning and one layer at night and you're good to go, then this is a good serum. It has a mix of antioxidants, skin lighting agents, also has moisturizing and soothing ingredients, which helps in reducing dark spots, making your skin tone more even and brighter. See, this is not for correcting very stubborn dark spots. No, it's not going to. If you have melasma, will this help and magically reduce it? No, it will not. If you have very stubborn dark spots that have been there on your skin for a long time, is it going to help it? No, but it helps in brightening your overall skin, reducing the dullness, and just makes it look a little more brighter, glowy. So yes, I like to use the serum twice in a day. So that is how I prescribe it to my patients as well. So this serum can be used on a clean face twice in a day. In the morning you can follow it up with a sunscreen. At night you can use this and then use a moisturizer on top. If you are somebody who uses a retinol at night, then I would suggest use this only in the morning time with a sunscreen and continue using your retinol at night. So that's how you can place this in your skincare routine. If you are on a budget, then no need to use this. You can go for something like a vitamin C serum, which is more reasonably priced, or even a kojic acid or an alpha-arbutin serum that also helps in evening out your skin tone. But yes, if you are looking to splurge and if you want one product that can help in making your skin look brighter, better, this one is a good choice. The next product is Neutrogena Bright Boost Serum. I really like this serum because it helps in moisturizing the skin. It instantly plumps and hydrates the skin. Sometimes even use it just below my makeup, just a few drops on the whole face, and then I go ahead and use a light tinted moisturizer or a very light foundation. It just gives a really nice instant feel and nice glow to the skin. But the good thing about the serum is that it contains really good ingredients like tetrahydrofluoroylmethane, which is an antioxidant and a soothing ingredient. So this helps in brightening the skin as well as reduces inflammation on the skin. This also contains hexylresorcinol, which helps in lightening your dark spots, and glucosamine, which is also a soothing ingredient, which also has antioxidant properties. So basically this helps in brightening your skin, evening out your skin tone, has antioxidant properties as well. So is a good ingredient to use in your nighttime skincare routine if you are somebody looking to brighten your skin up. This pairs well with a retinol as well. So you can use the retinol and use this on top if your skin is not very sensitive. Otherwise, I would say you can alternate. One night you can use retinol and this on the other night. So this over 2 months time, in about 6 to 8 weeks, it helps in really improving your skin quality, reduces dark spots. So this is a really good product to use. It has good ingredients, and if you are somebody who is looking to even out your skin tone, this is a good choice. If you are somebody who wants to get rid of tanning faster, or you feel with age your skin is looking a little dull, even then this is a good serum to use. So yes, this is a good serum to use in your nighttime routine for reducing dark spots, making your skin tone even, and brightening your overall skin. The last product is also cult favorite. This is the Cosrx Snail Mucin. Every skincare enthusiast has once tried this product. I have a detailed review on Snail Mucin. I'll be linking it on the iCard above. That's the video. Please do watch it. I have explained Snail Mucin in detail, what all it does, what are the benefits you can derive, who are the people who can use it, who are the people who should not use it. So a detailed review on Snail Mucin in general. But yeah, this is the OG Snail Mucin. It is really good, very soothing on the skin. I love using this. It feels very moisturizing, nourishing on the skin. If you have redness, irritation, itching, it helps in soothing that out. I have very dry skin, so this helps on those as well. Even on vacation, if I don't carry anything, I definitely carry this, because I know that if I'm going to get burned or get very tanned, even after using a lot of sunscreen, sometimes you do tend to get a little irritated and your skin tends to get dry because of the sand, the salt water, the chlorine water in the pool. So this helps in soothing the skin, and I just love how this feels on the skin. Remember that snail mucin or any of the products that I mentioned is not for everybody, okay? So always do a patch test before using, especially if you're somebody who has sensitive skin, if you're somebody who has had trouble using products in the past, then you always want to do a patch test. This serum is not the best for those with very acne prone skin, who have reactive skin, probably not. A lot of people do say that it helps in soothing their acne and it helps in reducing acne, but I don't prefer to prescribe this to people who have very oily, very acne prone skin. I feel this is for those with occasional acne, maybe, who have sensitive skin, who have dry, red, irritated skin, and who have very reactive skin. For them, this works really well in soothing the skin, plumping up the skin. It's even a good kind of plumping ingredient. If it's like hyaluronic acid, but just better, because hyaluronic acid has a short-term impact on the skin. It just pulls water, but this also has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory ingredients, which helps in soothing the skin and kind of nourishing the skin for longer. So I really like using the snail mucin. I think it's worth the hype. And yeah, so this is one of the products that I feel deserves all the attention that it gets. But like all the other products that I've mentioned, it's not for everyone. None of these products will suit everybody. Okay, you have to make a informed decision, an informed choice, and go ahead and try the products. Most of these products also come in a smaller size, so you can maybe try that, and then if it suits you, go ahead and purchase it. So there you go, a quick review of all the products that I really like, which are expensive but which I feel are worth the hype. So, but again, I want to remind you that nothing is worth mental peace. There are bigger, more important things in your life that you can invest the money on. Go ahead and do it. There are alternatives to skincare. You can use just a moisturizer and a sunscreen. That itself can really help in improving your skin quality, so you don't really need these products. But if you're thinking of investing or spending or splurging on skincare and you can easily buy these products, then they are worth it. Is it worth compromising on other aspects of your life for this? No, it's not. Nothing is worth that. So focus on healthy lifestyle, good nutritious food, sleep at night, at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep, along with exercise for at least 45 minutes every single day. This will have a much better impact on your body than these skincare products. But yes, if you want to, you can definitely buy these products. They are worth it. I hope you found this video useful. If you like skin and hair related content, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, Dr. Aanchal MD. I've also started a podcast in the last 3 to 4 months called Decoding Health with Dr. Aanchal, where I call in health experts from diverse fields and discuss about certain topics in detail. Let me know how you're liking those videos and how I can be better. Podcasting is something new for me. I'm not very good at it. I'm so used to just talking at my own pace and just shooting alone in a room with my phone. I'm so used to this whole drill. A podcast is a completely new format for me. So let me know if there's anything I can change, improve. Any guests that you want, I'd be more than happy to call them and have a good and insightful and informative discussion with the experts. So yeah, I hope you like them too. Thank you for watching. Bye.